Okay, this video is going to show you Sharpies Collaborate. So if you're on this video, you should have already done the intro, done some experiments, and practice lines and repetition with Zentangles. And now you're ready to get a signature, but you have to do your last thing, which is collaborate with Sharpies. So in order to do this, you need to get the fine tip Sharpie Studio. Make sure it has all of them in there when you get it, okay? And you're going to want to go to which one is it actually? The red bookshelf, not the green bookshelf. The red bookshelf, and it should have a binder that says Collaborate. When you open the binder that says Collaborate, you want to find the one that says Sharpies Collaborate. Once you find the one that says Sharpies Collaborate, go ahead and take it out, and you're going to choose one of these letters. This spells out relationships, okay? R-E-A, this is our concept for the year. So once you choose one, let's say you want to do the R, okay, because each one has specific colors you can use. When you collaborate with people, it is important that we go along with the plan so that the final product will look unified, will look like it's one piece. So these words are designed to have like a rainbow effect. So you'll see if there's the R, there's the little, there should be the tangle there, which means you're going to put a different design within each shape, and you're only going to use these colors. So if you choose the R, that's the one you want to do. You like red, you want to do the R. You need to make sure that you're using the right color. So we're going to cut these out, so we're not worried about this part right here. So you can test it and make sure, okay, yeah, that's the right color. That's the same color that Miss Pick marked there. And which other one is it? Is it this orange one? It kind of looks like it could be that orange one. Yes, it is. So that looks like the same color. So now I have my letter that I'm going to use, and I have the two colors that are marked right here at the top. Now it's time to start doing your Zentangles within the different shapes. So I see there's like a little pencil mark here. That means I'm going to do just one Zentangle or one design within the whole shape. All right, and then when you finish that one, you're going to do another Zentangle within the other shape. Okay, so whatever Zentangles you practiced in your sketchbook, you might want to look back and say like, okay, what were the best ones that I did? And pick those out and use them for this collaboration. All right, so I'm just filling this out. I'm going to do one whole piece. And once you have one whole letter, or if you're taking a while and you want to work with someone else, maybe you could do a half a letter. Okay, once you have one whole letter done, bring it to me along with the rest of your stuff with Sharpies. I will give you a signature on your studio experiments, and that will mean that if you want to use Sharpies when it comes project time, you can. If you don't have a signature for Sharpies for project time, that means you can't use Sharpies when it's the project. Only the things that you have signatures for can you use during project time, okay? So anyway, this is fun. It's just sort of like gets you in. They call it Zen because you're supposed to sort of go into a Zen-like state, like a meditative state. Zen is a word that that represents a style of meditation in Buddhism. So then I've got one whole part Zentangled out. Then I'm going to take the other color and I'm going to do the next section with a different pattern, until the whole thing is completely covered with Zentangles. Not the outside, just the inside of the letter. Okay? So remember, these are in the red shelf. The Sharpie Studio, someone might be using it, but check with your Draw Captain to make sure it's even open that day. And then when you're done, bring the letter and everything else that you've completed back to me.